in terms of utilization, what are the wait times to get live help? And are there certain days of the time or certain days that are better to call than others?
Absolutely. As with anything else, that is always a challenge. In general, we do try to answer calls in a very reasonable time frame. During that huge period, the delay times were just horrible. We do have some capabilities built into the system so that even if someone does call, if they can't stay on the line, they can request a callback. Basically, it stays in line for them. That finally gets to an agent, and when it drops on that agent's phone, they will call them back. But in a normal mode, we usually can answer calls within 2, 3 to 5 minutes. Our worst time of days is lunchtime, because that is the time when the entire city, country, or state, everybody goes on lunch and everyone decides to call. And so that is certainly a tougher time. So if you catch us in the morning, like between 9 and 11, great time. 1 and 3, great time. There's always seemed to be a rush also right around 4, between 4 and 5.
Good to know. I think these are super helpful tips for people to consider.
And I'm sorry, you also asked days. So midweek is better. Okay, everyone calls Monday morning because they thought of stuff over the weekend. Okay.